Welcome to the 1 Hour Guide, where new leaders and entrepreneurs are created 1 hour at a time. Every hour spent with us takes you closer to your goals. Thinking in Bets by Annie Duke blends gaming strategies with decision-making theories. It helps readers make better choices in uncertain situations. Duke uses her experience to illustrate making decisions based on probabilities and managing risk. Key concepts include embracing uncertainty and reducing bias. She emphasizes judging decisions by their quality, not outcomes. Practical advice leverages psychology, behavioral economics, and game theory. Chapter 1. What is decision science? Decision science is an interdisciplinary field focused on improving decision-making. It draws from psychology, economics, mathematics, computer science, and management science. The goal is to enhance decision quality, efficiency, and effectiveness. This includes studying cognitive biases, heuristics, and mathematical models. Key areas include behavioral decision theory, decision analysis, and game theory. Behavioral decision theory examines cognitive biases and emotions. Decision analysis uses models to evaluate complex decisions. Game theory studies strategic interactions between rational agents. Operations research optimizes processes like resource allocation and logistics. Neuroeconomics explores the neural basis of economic decisions. Decision support systems develop tools to assist decision makers. Risk management assesses and mitigates uncertainties in decision-making. These areas collectively enhance our understanding and practice of decision-making. Chapter 2. Mastering decision-making. Embracing uncertainty. Decision-making shapes our businesses and careers. In a complex world, it feels like navigating through fog. Annie Duke's Thinking in Bets offers a framework for uncertain environments. Embrace uncertainty. Life is like chess, with imperfect information and uncertain outcomes. Adopt probabilistic thinking. Decisions are bets on uncertain futures. Focus on process, not just outcomes. Evaluate decisions by their process quality. Assess probabilities and manage risks wisely. Recognize and reduce biases. Leverage diverse perspectives. Continuously learn and adapt. Learn from successes and failures. In business, decisions drive progress. Annie Duke in Thinking in Bets introduces the concept of resulting or judging decisions by outcomes. Duke argues for evaluating decisions by their process quality, not just results. Focus on information gathering, analysis, and alternatives. Recognize hindsight bias and learn from failures. Prioritize sustainable, resilient decision-making processes. Reflect on decision quality, not just outcomes. View failures as growth opportunities. Use systematic approaches, consider risks, and seek diverse perspectives. Mastering probability, making informed decisions. Uncertainty is an ever-present reality. Annie Duke's Thinking in Bets introduces thinking in probabilities. Shift from seeking certainty to embracing probabilities. Weigh the likelihood of different scenarios. Outcomes exist on a spectrum of probabilities. Assess decisions based on expected value. Continuously update beliefs and probabilities. Implement strategies to mitigate risks and uncertainties. Utilize decision trees and Monte Carlo simulations. Chapter 5. Harnessing diversity. Strengthening decision-making. Decisions hinge on harnessing diverse perspectives. Annie Duke underscores the importance of group decision-making. Decision-making benefits from diverse viewpoints. Leverage collective wisdom for robust decisions. Recognize diverse perspectives and foster inclusive leadership. Assemble diverse teams and promote psychological safety. Guarding against groupthink. Groupthink can be a liability in decision-making. Annie Duke highlights its dangers and offers strategies to mitigate its impact. Prioritizing harmony over critical thinking leads to flawed decisions. Encourage dissent, foster psychological safety, and promote diverse perspectives. Subscribe to the 1 Hour Guide channel and follow books by Anil Nathu on Amazon. Every hour spent with us takes you closer to your goals.